Tonight's the return of the annual Space Symposium in Colorado Springs. The massive international aerospace industry event was canceled in 2020 at the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, and the event was scaled down last year. KRDO News Channel 13's Scott Harrison is live at the Broadmoor to explain how leaders anticipate tonight's kickoff will go. Scott.
Yeah, you can see and hear all of the excitement and the activity behind me. Tonight, just a few hours from now, starts the opening ceremony for this 37th annual Space Symposium. And organizers are telling me that this could be the biggest symposium ever. And to put that into perspective, attendance normally is around 10,000 people. With mask mandates winding down and people feeling more comfortable about traveling, interest and attendance at the 37th Space Symposium is set to be at an all-time high. So why should you be interested if you're not following the latest trends in aerospace technology?
This is the next evolution of where we're going with industry, with our economy, with economic security, national security. Space is a critical infrastructure on which everything is dependent.
Among the dignitaries is Republican Congressman Doug Lamborn of Colorado Springs. Lamborn echoes the importance of this big event right here in southern Colorado.
Given what's happening in the world, look at Russia invading Ukraine. Look at China and its around the world hypersonics test. More than ever, we can't waste time building from the ground up when we've already got a great facility here in Colorado Springs.
This year's symposium has a record 275 exhibits from vendors in 40 countries. It was just a few years ago that the Broadmoor finished building Bartle & Hall, a considerable expansion of its convention space, hoping to provide more room for big events like the Space Symposium. However, this year, it's not big enough. All of the space here is already filled, and it's leaving organizers wondering how they're going to find additional venues if the crowds continue to be this big in the future. The symposium is also using space at the nearby Cheyenne Mountain Resort for this year's event. And there are so many people here for this symposium. They get this, 12,000 hotel rooms from 24 Pikes Peak area hotels are booked solid for this event. And tonight we'll learn if this year's symposium will have record-breaking attendance. We're live at Broadmoor Hall in Colorado Springs. Scott Harrison, KRDO News Channel 13.